Hello, everyone. This is Venkat from Marima Labs, and today I'm excited to announce the launch of MMGPT. Over the course of many years, users have requested us for MM resources. Both Ridim and I have penned numerous LinkedIn posts, articles, blogs, and case studies on this topic. But the thing is, all of these are in disparate places. Hence, users always requested us for one consolidated view of these resources. We could have written a book, but we did the next best thing. We came up with MMGPT. MMGPT is not just a wrapper on ChatGPT. In fact, we have indigenously built it, and it's actually a RAG model. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. It's an excellent approach to mitigate the hallucinations that you typically see with large language models like ChatGPT. After painstaking 6 months, I'm excited to announce the launch of MMGPT. So let's quickly dive into MMGPT to take a look at the great features that we have built in. So here we are. Here's the neat and sleek look of MMGPT. And on the left-hand side, you have the popular questions, summarized research papers, and tips to get accurate responses. Let me unpack each one of them for you. The popular questions are the questions that is most liked by our users. This is totally dependent on the user activity. So let's click on the first question that we have here. Here we are. So as you can notice very clearly that the answers are more succinct and to the point in comparison to ChatGPT. And further, we have also included a fail-safe mechanism. Even if there is a slight hallucinations in the answer, you can always go back to the main resource or the main source from which the answers have been generated from. Giving an accurate text-based response based on your textual query, it's a hard task in itself in NLP. But imagine giving the most relevant image which is related to your search query. This is known as a multimodal problem. It's a very tough problem to crack, but we at Arima Labs are glad to inform you that we have cracked this problem. So for every query, you will be presented the most related image that is extracted out from the main resource itself. Arima Labs has clients across 5 continents, and not many are proficient English speakers or native English speakers. So for their convenience, we have added this excellent feature called Translate into any language. So our content can be converted or translated into any language. So let's quickly translate this to, let's say, Spanish first. As you can see, the content has been translated into Spanish. Let's try another language. Let's translate it into Arabic. There you go. It has readily converted the response into Arabic as well. So we are currently providing 30 plus languages, and with this, our MM content is now available to at least 100 countries. The next excellent feature that we have introduced is the explore similar questions. Not everybody is an expert in MM. So if you're new to MM, you might be wondering, hey, what is the next question that I have to ask? To solve that problem, our ML algorithm will prompt you with the next 5 related questions based on your original query. And of course, your feedback is very helpful for us. So you can always tell us whether you like the answers or not. And all your answers will be stored and it will be used to retrain our models better. Coming to the next feature, we are also providing summarized research papers facility. MM is a vast area. There are a lot of seminal work out there. So currently we are providing features to summarize at least 35 seminal research papers. And of course, some of the research papers are also by us. So you can see, we can just quickly summarize this popular research paper, which is Understanding Advertising Ad Stock Transformation. And as you can see, It's a very succinct and to the point summary. And we also provide you the link to the complete paper here. The other interesting feature that we have added into MMGPT is voice enablement. People can click on this icon and MMGPT will read out the responses for you.
Marketing mix modeling, MMM, is a technique that quantifies the impact of various marketing inputs on sales or market share. It helps understand the contribution of each marketing input to sales and how much to spend on each input.
So this was our demo of MMGPT. We'll be adding a lot more new features into this as we go by. We have nearly 150 people signed up to try MMGPT. Starting today, we'll roll out access to few of them. And in the next couple of days, we hope to completely give access to all the users who have signed up. And if you'd like to try MMGPT, please sign up. The link is in comments. Thank you.